Hey everyone, good morning, welcome back to my channel Art E Pics. I am Payal. First of all, wish you all a very happy Father's Day. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you a very simple and easy Father's Day drawing. Hope you will enjoy my drawing and you found it very useful. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, comment below, and do not forget to subscribe. And please keep watching until the end. Thank you in advance. Hey, I have an Instagram account where I post all the final outcomes of my drawing. Please have a look and follow me there. I put that link in my description box and also mention on my screen. Thank you for watching until the end. Again, if you don't want to miss any of my upcoming videos, then please subscribe to my channel and be a part of my family. See you in my next video. Until then, bye.